What's up, guys? Today I'm working on 2013 Chevy Express 3500, I think, just a big van. It's my van, I should know, but I don't. So yeah, apparently this is a common problem for this model of van, is that this really cool glove box you've got, or storage compartment, the latch breaks off. So it looks like it should be a pretty straightforward and easy repair. It's got two Phillips screws, so I have a Phillips screwdriver. And I bought an OEM GM part. Here's the part number for reference. Can't see that last number, can you? It's a 4. That last number is a 4. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and replace this. Looks fairly simple, fairly straightforward. Every time I say something like this, it ends up having something that trips me up. But I'm hoping for the best. Let's get to it and get this done. Alright, I'm going to start by just removing these screws. There's 2 of them down here. I had to use a short screwdriver because you kind of limited in space here. So oh, alright. The old one is out. You can see it's broken. It's hard broken. Yeah, see the plastic here broke off. Okay, get this new one unwrapped. Alright, here's the new piece. Just put it right in there, and it looks like now I just line up the screw holes. Does that look like the right? Yeah, it looks aligned. Let's see if I can set my camera here in a way where we can just watch. So it feels like I just have to cut the threads into this. It's going to take 2 hands. Alright, there it is. Screws installed, latch installed. Alright, it's all assembled. So sweet. Alright, it works. Closes the way it's supposed to. Replace this old broken one. They're plastic, so it'll probably break again eventually. But that took me, I'm watching this because I never stopped recording, that literally took me about 3 minutes to complete, and that was with having never done it before. So the part was, I have the receipt in my pocket specifically for this video. I ordered it on eBay from a dealership in Arizona, in Chandler, Arizona, and it cost $36 for the part. So there you go. From Auto Nation Part Center in Chandler, Arizona, $36. Cool. Quick video. Hopefully it helps somebody. Save yourself some money from sending it to someone else. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate the support of everyone. And until something else breaks, see you.